Hey, this is Advent Core, and I'm here to teach you another tutorial. I'm going to teach you today how to create your own virus and turn it into an execute and installation package that you could send to your friends and trick them to thinking that it's like a video game. I'm going to put this code for a deactivated Trojan in the description. This is it right here. It's going to say remove this here in auto run, which you obviously have to remove it in order to make it an official Trojan. Then you click File, Save As. Give it a second. And then you select all files and save it as trojan.bat. Don't forget to put bat here. It's a batch file. You need to save it as a batch file in order for it to work. Save it to your desktop. Once you have that there, you are going to need this program called bat to execute file. Bat to execute converter. I'm gonna put the link up in the description so you could download that too. Once you have that, you're going to open up bat to X converter, and this window will pop up. All you have to do is select this little thing that says browse, the little dots, and select the batch file that you have made with the Trojan. You hit OK, and you don't have to select anything here. You could go to version information to change your icon file, the icon, if you have another icon for it, but I'm not going to use an icon because I do not have one to sample it with. I'll just go back to options and hit compile. It's going to say compiling, and then you will have your converted Trojan virus. It should now be an execute file over here on your desktop. You can delete the batch file that you had before because you don't need it now. You now have it as an execute file. Now from here, you're going to go to Start, go to Run, open up Run, and you're going to type into Run iExpress. This program should pop up. It's a built-in program in Windows that converts and creates installation packages. On here, it's going to give you two options: create new self-extraction directive file or open existing self-extraction directive file. You're going to create a new one. Hit next, and you could select either extract files only or extract files and run an installation command. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to pick the first one. Then you type in the name of the package that you know what you want to name it. Say you wanted to trick your friends into thinking it was a game. I'm going to name it Call of Duty 4. Hit next. And it's going to ask you if you want to make a confirmation prompt, which when the person clicks on it, it's going to pop up with a message, with whatever message you want, most likely asking them if are they sure they want to install this package. I'm going to put that on here. Are you sure you want to install Call of Duty 4? And you hit next. It's going to ask you for a license agreement. For anyone who doesn't know what a license agreement is, it's that annoying thing that pops up when you're going to install or do something. That's basically telling you, do you agree with this? If not, then you can install it. To make it more realistic, you could make one. They have sample ones on the internet, and you could probably just copy and paste that onto. You have to copy and paste it onto a notepad file. Save it as a text file. And I already have one for Call of Duty. I might have changed it for a different game. depending on what it says inside. But I'm going to select that. It's on my desktop. There you go. Then you hit next. It's going to ask you for the packaged files. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Add, and wherever you save the Trojan, you go to it and select the Trojan and hit OK or Open. It's going to put it into the list, and that's all you need to add. Hit Next. It's going to say Install Program to Launch. You're going to, in the Install Program box, you're going to hit the down arrow and select Trojan Execute, the only option that should be there. It's going to ask you show window, what kind of window it's going to be displayed when it starts the installation. I would recommend choosing the default, which is recommended also in there. It's going to pop up with a small window. Minimized, I'm guessing it's a smaller window. Maximized, it's going to take up the whole thing. Hidden just doesn't show it at all. You're going to select default, and it's going to ask you for a finished. If you want to display a finished message, which tells the person your installation has been finished installing, which I'm going to put call of hit next. When you hit next, it's going to bring you to package name and options. Here, all you have to do is just select the file of the Trojan execute that we made before. Save. You do not need to select any of these options. Just don't. Hit next. It's going to ask if the installation program needs to restart the computer or not. And select only restart if needed. Trust me, it's not going to need to restart, but just select that just in case. You could also choose not to prompt the user before restarting, which doesn't really matter. It's going to ask you if you want to save the self-extraction directive. Basically, that means it asks you if you want to save the information used in creating the installation package. You could, if you want, for later use. If you don't, that's fine too. Just hit next, and it's going to say create package, and just hit next again, and it will create it. There we go. We now have the package. Hit finish, and the execution file should now change to this. Should have a different icon, and it will be an installation package. We double click on it. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to install Call of Duty 4? And here's the license agreement. Changed it to WinRAR before because I made a WinRAR virus installation thing for my friend. I'm not going to hit yes because I do not want to destroy my computer. But that is it. Thank you for watching.